This back pain workout follow along video is going to help you get rid of your back pain. I invite you to do it in the beginning of your day, so it's going to help you loosen up some of your stiff stuff and strengthen some of your weak stuff so you can face the day with confidence. This whole workout is actually the morning routine from the first phase of the Back Pain Fix program. I will link to that down below in case you are looking for a comprehensive way to fix your back pain with simple, practical workouts that build strength and build flexibility. Now let's get started with the morning back pain workout. If you're watching this around Thanksgiving, be sure to go to uprighthealth.com after you're finished with this video so you can take advantage of the Thanksgiving sale. Go, go, go! To get started, you're just going to stand with your feet comfortably apart. Hands are going to go on your belly, and we're going to be breathing hard through your lips. Make sure to close your lips down and pucker them so you're resisting the outflow of air. As you do this, maintain good posture. Don't let yourself collapse as you breathe out. And as you breathe out, you should feel your abdominals contracting. You should feel your abs contracting, your pursed lips create resistance, and your abs are having to work hard to push air out of your mouth. Next up are head and neck circles. So go ahead and start off just gently rolling first to the right. You want to slowly explore all the angles. Slowly explore the full range of motion. You can even have your hands and arms out to the side a bit to get a bigger stretch. And now get ready to switch directions. So now you're going to the left, rolling back, and then to the right. So you're heading to the left, back and around to the right. Keep the neck as long as you can throughout this exercise. You don't want to crunch the back of your neck. You want to have your neck long while you are exploring all those tight little areas in your neck. Then we're going to unwind your spine and your hips a little bit. So put your arms out to the side, feet wider than shoulders, and you're going to be looking and twisting all the way behind you. You really want to feel the hand and arm leading the motion, and really turn your head and neck. Think of yourself as an owl. You're trying to look all the way around and behind you. Your whole body can twist, your hips can twist. Just don't want your knees to feel funky or tense by twisting too far. If you feel like twisting your hips and legs gives you too much trouble, just focus on getting the spine to twist. Keep your chest open as much as you can. Arms out and open, hands out and open. And feel that all unwind. Then we're going to go into some pelvic tilts. You're going to stand with your hands on the sides of your hips, and you're thinking about tucking your tailbone and then dropping your belt buckle. So you want to feel as if somebody is pulling your tailbone down towards the floor into posterior tilt, and then somebody's pulling on the front of your pants or on your belt buckle to pull the front of your pelvis down. You're just going slowly back and forth, trying to isolate the motion to only the pelvis. You're not going to move your upper back or your mid or upper spine. You don't want the upper back or the mid back to get involved here, or the knees to bend. Next up, we're going to loosen up the sides of your spine, the sides of your abdominal area. So feet are wider than shoulders, knees bent, hands on your hips, and you're just going to be tilting to the side. You're just trying to bend all the way to the side as far as you can go. Keep those knees at least slightly bent. If you want more of a leg challenge, you can bend them even more. And you're feeling for stretching on the sides under your ribs. To get this even stronger, clasp your hands up overhead and really reach, reach, reach. You're gonna feel more stretching along the ribs and directly in the armpits and below the armpits. Your whole side should feel like it's lengthening as you go side to side. All right. So next up, we're gonna do a little stretching of the front of our neck. You're just going to be looking up towards the sky. And then we're just going to tip your head back a little more. Keep trying to stretch out the front of your neck, but don't crunch down. Don't let the back of your neck shorten up. Don't go into forward head posture. You're just trying to get used to looking at the sky, looking up, letting the front of your neck get long, keeping the back of your neck long. And then we're gonna take your fists, put them under your chin so you have resistance as you try to look down. So we're now activating those stretched out muscles, trying to look down, and your fists and arms create resistance so that your neck muscles have to do some work. And you can make this harder or easier on yourself. You just want to make sure you feel the muscles of the front of the neck directly below your chin working as you slowly go through these repetitions. Then we're going to stretch out the back and the sides of the neck. So take your right hand, put it on the back left corner of your head, and take your left hand and put it on your chin. The hand on your chin is going to help you tuck your chin. The hand on the back side of your head is going to help you pull to the side and forward. As you do this motion, you should feel a stretch in the side and the back of the left side of your neck. To get more stretch, you can try tucking your chin more or tilting your head to the side a little bit more. You use your hands to help you play with that angle. Take your time as you switch sides. So left hand to the right back side of your head, and then right hand to your chin. And then you can push the chin down, pull the head forward and to the side. Find the angle that gives you a good stretch on the right back side of your neck. And enjoy that lengthening sensation. Don't push hard on this, don't pull fast, just slowly feel for that stretch sensation, and you can adjust it to any angle that feels productive.
All right, that's gonna do it for part 1 of this morning back pain workout. Look for part 2 in the description box, and I'm gonna link it here as well. If you're looking for a comprehensive program to help you with your back pain with follow-along videos to guide you every step of the way, then be sure to check out the link in the description box, and I'll link to that also here and at the end of the video. Head over to part 2 when you're ready. Share this with somebody you know who has back pain. Subscribe to the channel. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.